Here is the Ninja toaster oven. It has an easy to open handle right here. There's also a crumb tray to take out and remove and clean. There's also one level here, and then this one has a basket here on top. So depending on what you want to cook with it, very easy to use, and has a nice window. Here is the power button, and also depending on what you want to cook in it, you can also raise up the temperature as well as the time. Very nice. And there's also a light that you can push right here. And as you can see, it is digital. So let's say you want to increase it. This is the 4 mode, and you can go for 5 slices, 4 slices. So this is not just a toaster, but it's also a toaster oven, and really nice, easy to use. Definitely recommend it. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.